Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A98 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you've got only the battery indicator and if you want to show the battery percentage on the status bar just like I have, then all you have to do is to go to the proper options, and it may be quite confusing because they are not in the battery, but no worries, I'll show you. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and right here we have to enter the notification and status bar. Now let's tap on the status bar, and as you can see right here we've got the battery percentage, so not in the battery section but right here. After tapping on this option you can decide where you want to display the percentage. Probably you've got this option, so without the percentage you can set it inside the battery icon. I've got it applied, or outside the battery icon, and this is the option in which the percentage will be the most visible. Here you've got also the battery style, which is quite cool because you can basically manage the look of the battery. You can set this loop one or even do not show at all, so you will have only the battery percentage on the status bar. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.